Hello, Hardrested here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues with your Skype app on the phone. So first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store and find if you have the newest version of your app. Here you can check if you have the newest version. If the update is available, the update bar should pop out here. If you have the open bar, that means that you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, go here, go to your Skype app, here, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all your not allowed permission. After you allow them all, and if you still got the issue after that, I'm gonna show you last way. The last way is the easiest one. You just take your Skype app, uninstall, go back to the Play Store, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more issues. So, if the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.